Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient color to shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add gradient color to shape. At first, go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu. Choose any shape. Now I am select the heart shape. Then draw the heart shape, press and hold the shift on our keyboard. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose shape fill. Select the gradient option. Go to more gradient. Then we can see here the gradient fill option. Now I am delete the gradient stops. Click this cross option and make two stops. Select the stop and click color. Then select color on this color panel. Now we can see we add gradient color to shapes easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.